Hey there. So this will be a short video, and this painting will be the sister of my last one. I wanted a matching set, so everything is the same as before, as the previous video. Every color is the same, and the technique. I already poured the paint in each cup in the same order as before. I also wanted to show how different paintings can be even when you use the same technique with the same paint. It's impossible to get the exact same results in pouring. Although these two paintings are similar, they aren't exact. So enjoy the video, and at the end I will show the dried. I'll give you a close-up first, and then I'll show you the dried results, and then I will post both of them together so that you can see how similar they are and how different they are. Enjoy! Hi, I'm back, and this one is dry. It's very similar to the previous one I did. I used the same pouring medium and gloss varnish that's mixed with the medium, and it is pretty shiny. There, as you can see right there though, the paint was pretty thick right in here, so but other than that, it looks really good. I'll show you a close-up. I really like this area right here. It kind of moved off a bit, but still looks kind of cool. I really like how you get the outline of the different colors around the cells. So anyway, thank you for watching, and have a great day. Please subscribe if you like my videos, and hit the like button. Bye for now.